dudes and dudettes. ZR Car back again with another video. I haven't been making a lot of videos because I've been waiting for my subscriber count to get up there. So I'm gonna wait for that and then hit it. Got the dual Silverados in the garage, the 3500 and the 1500 RST. And UPS just left a little package here. Got the BMW tow and stow. So my thought is that I can leave this on and my garage door might actually clear, because you can see I've got a little operation going on here. Every time I shut the door, I gotta take that stupid sleeve and receiver off. So this will be the test of all tests. I haven't opened it up yet, so let's see if we can destroy this thing. Giggity. Alright, so I cut the tape. Oh, looks like it will open without destruction. Alright. Whoa, it almost looks used. Jeez, that's not cool. Interesting. I wonder if it's just dust on it. Yeah, maybe just a little dust. It doesn't look like it's too bad. Jeez, that does look kind of nasty. Weird. I'll throw some oil on it. If it doesn't clean up nice, I'll complain. Maybe we'll get a free one. Just kidding. Alright, so yeah, I really just needed the 2-ball, which is the 2 5/16, and then the 2-inch, but it was gonna be another week for delivery, and this one was $10 more, so I went with this one. Alright, not too shabby. Yeah, I think it's just dust on it. I'll put a little oil on it and probably clean up nicely. It'll match the truck that I got. I've only done maybe a handful of videos on the 3500, but I did order this. And it's got the Duramax, of course, and went with the 6-place. And the sunroof. So the combo is kind of hard to get between the 6-place and the sunroof. And I loaded up the LT, as you can see, because otherwise it was like a couple $1,000,000. All right, so maybe I'll pause it, and maybe I'll just try to maneuver with one hand. I imagine this has to come off. Of course, everybody starts making noise when I want to do a video. All right, so maybe I'll just try to put it on. Who knows? So this is the 2.5. See if I can crush my fenders. Ooh. So, okay, so you can see starting to hit right there, and it won't go in any further so far, so maybe I have to bring it down a little bit. Nice Chris. Alright, there we go. So maybe I can drop it down somehow, like so. I think that one maybe. Get all my pins jacked up. Let's see, I'll try not to give you vertigo here. This one. And I assume this one. And will it drop if I take that out? I'm guessing yes. Alright, so I pulled the other pin, it did drop. Let's see, so I'll push it in all the way here as far as I can. Yeah, that's pretty flat. And as long as it stows good, then should, of course, I've got a locking pin, but I'm just playing around right now. Now, how can we get it stowed, I wonder? So as you saw when I was putting it in, it did kind of hit on the, whatever these things are, safety chain hooks. So I did have to use the neck to hold down, but it still looks really good. I mean, it's not like I'm losing a bunch of clearance or anything, and I could even flip this upside down, or I should say right side up. And I don't think it's too low. I only got the 5-inch drop because like this doesn't have a lift, and I really didn't need a super big drop. So, and also I think clearance is pretty important. But anyways, I think it's gonna work. What do you guys think? Should we try it out? Let's see if the garage door actually shuts. Alright. So I think my garage is 25 feet. And look at this ridiculousness. It's like 2 inches from the front maybe, and then it is a 7-foot garage door, and it clears it by maybe 3-4 inches, not much. It might get dark in here, but you'll see what I'm talking about. Success. Nice. Yeah, so that's basically what I wanted. I mean, I do have a Gen Y hitch, just the 2-inch, and that'll go on this, but that 2.5-inch bumps up my tow capacity, stuff like that. Surprised we haven't got much snow here in Montucky lately. January's been pretty dry for us. I mean, you can see where we got the, I don't know, 6 inches or 12 inches or whatever, but it's pretty much gone. All right, I'm gonna clean up this beast, and I'll do an outro in a bit. Haven't cleaned it up yet, but you can just see me messing around with it. So I wanted to see if this ball would go right side up while it's stowed. So I've never used one of these before, so you can make fun of me, but just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, fancy. Let's see some of that. Alright, so that's right side up stowed. And then this one comes out. And I go, oh man, is it gonna stay there? Yeah, so it'll stay there like that. I'm not sure if I'll stow it like that or not, but I might. I just might. So I'm gonna take this one out. I'll put the locking one in, like so. Come on, brah. So they could steal some of these pins, which I know you guys know already, but they can't steal the whole ball because it hits on the safety chain hook. So oh, that was skinny. I was looking for the black safety pin. Oh, there it is, right there. I found it. Ow. Cool. So I'll put that in. Put this in. And I guess I'm probably gonna. I might leave this one out. Interesting. It's so low, you can see it's not going through the receiver right there when it's stowed. I just don't really want people to jack them. So, I don't know. I'll probably leave this one in the truck if I had to guess. But, anyways. Looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. It's so crazy because the it almost stows in this. I'm talking like a couple of millimeters is where it hits on this. I might be able to keep messing with it and it actually might work, but obviously I haven't cleaned it up yet, but maybe we'll do that. All right, dudes. So, in conclusion, the B&W looks like it's going to work sweet. You know, there's going to be a little tweaks that I'll have. I'll have to see if it can stow all the way up. If it doesn't, it's not a big deal. Out of the box, you saw me kind of comment on if it was used. I don't think it was used. I think it was sitting in a warehouse for a while. Did get this up on Amazon. Had some gift cards to use. JB Reviews just had one for the what is it, the different tailgate for the Chevys. I have the stock one, so the Pro tailgate or whatever. I just have the regular one, so I didn't need the super fancy hitch. Mine cost $319. I think his was like $360, something like that. But here's the Gen Y, just a two inch shank, and then this one's the 2.5, so I don't have to use that stupid sleeve anymore. And then I do have the just a 2 inch on this one that the Gen Y can go on to. Kind of weird when I bought this Gen Y, just FYI, this is kind of a gray color. It's actually not black. I was hoping it was going to be more like black, like the Tri-Ball, but it's not. It's still super nice. And I almost bought the 2.5 for this, but I'm glad I didn't because stupid garage door wouldn't close. But overall, it accomplished what I wanted to do. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Just a quick insert. It will actually go flush. But I wanted this hole right there, but just is about 3 or 4 millimeters too high. But for the most part, I don't even care. It looks badass, especially if it's flush like this. I mean, for a clearance perspective, you're gonna hit this anyway, so it's perfect. Peace.